Well, it looks like we have to hit the ground running today. Got a text at 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. stating that our contract client needs their shirts by 11 a.m. which is news to me, so we're gonna try and do film, burn screens, and have 856 shirts ready by 2:30. We'll see how that goes. In order to pull this off in the time that I need to put my flash on station number 2, let it flash table up, and so I'm gonna have to move that by myself. This is gonna be fun. God, look at that. You'd think that I was 18 still. It's still getting acne. What's up with that? Hi.
Why won't you go in your hole?
Okay, let me see where that gets us. I wonder why. I'm getting acne. Omar went home, and that's because it was his first day, and it's kind of, I don't think he did as much as he really could at the moment. I'm sure we could have got him reclaiming some screens, but I'm gonna have to do a few screens tonight, and then I'll have him do a bunch tomorrow. Yeah, so let's do this.
Michelle! Hi!
That's not a camera. That's the top of Shannon's head.
I see.
No, you don't. You don't see anything.
I made more.
Oh, you brought cookies?
They were eaten.
I found the candles.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
What do you see?
I see the sign. I see there's a bag.
Yes, there is a bag.
Yay! And gold eggs that I could eat and be free. Oh, you guys.
That one was just like a random. That was a random.
I don't even know what that is. Is that a diary?
We just kind of grabbed it, like, because we were like.
Michelle! Hey, would you like to heat press some numbers? Working on the 1,000 shirt, and it is pouring down the electricity cut in and out, so I had to turn the conveyor dryer off for a second just in case we lose all power. That way the belt doesn't mess up with all that heat. So we're putting this on pause at the moment. Still working on this pile here, and then here's this lovely stack over there, and it's hailing a little bit. And I think I'm gonna sit on my ass for a moment until this passes.
Sipping on the jellyfish.
Okay.
All right. Okay, here, there's sipping.
Why are these so difficult to peel off the sheet?
Yeah, see, you already in front of me, and
All right, come over
turns
here.
out-
Come on, Purple. Hold on to this.
Okay.
Okay, there's the sticky side of it. All right, now spin a few times. Spin. Okay, hold on, wait a second. Hold on.
I'm gonna fall over.
Okay, no, I'm gonna point you in the general direction of it. You ready?
Are you gonna play a trick on me?
Nope.
I feel like I'm not facing the door.
The door is over this way. It's over this way. No, it's not. It's that way. Here.
What's going on?
Oh, it's Anthony. Come on, just come on.
Hi.
Come on, come on.
What's happening?
It's right here. Okay, so
Okay.
the picture is right there.
Okay.
Okay, so go for it. Cheating ass.
I didn't! I didn't cheat! I didn't cheat! I didn't cheat!
I got some shirts to drop off for you.
Yeah. Okay, let me go open up the shelf door. It is another day, and we're gonna continue this vlog because I just am. It's kind of been a week vlog, and we've been working on some pretty big projects, one of which is this 1,000 t-shirt order behind me. I'm gonna turn the counter on the press just to be sure. However, here's some of the shirts, and then here's this monstrosity of shirts here. Hopefully we can get all these knocked out today. So stick around and watch us print some shirts and see what challenges we face today. Omar will be here at 11 o'clock, and while I'm waiting on him and everything is drying up, got the dryer going, I'm gonna grab myself a bite to eat because it's gonna be a long day.
Not at all. I was like, perfect email address that he.
Oh, that was so good. Spicy too. Hey look, Shannon got a package.
Whee!
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Well, I already kind of know what it is.
It's taking forever.
Well, this was actually a thank you present from Kelly because I put together a quote for her that when I printed it out, it was 8 pages long.
Yeah.
This is taking way longer than it should, and I'm getting like so conscious. Shut up.
I'm gonna run out of memory on my card.
She said that they sent us a shirt for like what they want as their sample, or if they want like to be done. But she's also good. Hey, look, they have a dog or a cat.
One line of vodka, huh?
This might be the coolest bottle I've ever seen in my life, though.
So he's got his own wine too, eh?
It's vodka.
I mean vodka.
She wouldn't give me wine.
Alright, it's time to get this screen printing party started. pretty hard to line up pretty quick. So we're more than halfway finished with this order. Been having to take frequent breaks. Umar and I have been hammering at this order for quite some time. I am soaked. So we still got the backs of these to do, the pocket prints as well. We got this monstrous pile here to do. We've had clients come in and out. Looks like we might be working over this weekend just to finish these, but we're getting there. These large orders, they go faster when someone like Shannon helping out, stacking over here, and we have 2 people on the press. We're getting there though.
That's my student.
Hold on. I almost got it, Mac. Oh, shit.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right.